Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox one of the country's most popular, most economical box. And yes friends, you have guessed it right. It is the Glamego subscription box for the month of May 2018. This box is priced at rupees 399, but you can get it for as low as 299 when you subscribe for a longer term. So this is how this month's box is, friends. Just look at it. It is cuteness overloaded. I just love this box. It is so pretty, so beautiful. Glamego has really upped their game. Their boxes are classy, beautiful, designer, something that you would want to store. And this is how the name is written over here. And this time, since it is Mother's Day in this month of May, they have possibly dedicated this to the Mother's Day. And these are all the products. Let us just go right in and see all the products. So I have received an info card and we will be seeing the products one by one. The first product to come out of it is this Voste multivitamin regenerating night cream. It is a 30 ml product, and friends, I honestly love this brand. I have used their night creams, I have used their day creams, I have used their scrubs, and I love each and every one of their products. So I'm very happy to get this. The full size 50 ml is worth rupees 250, while this box contains a 30 ml product and it is worth for 1550. Guys, this is a fantastic night cream, quite nice, quite light, and I quite love it. The second product that we have got is from a Japanese brand which is Acne's, and it is for a pimple protection. It is a pimple defense face wash and it controls skin heat, removes excess oil, and it has got menthol cool in it, and the name is Roto. It's a pimple plus aid gift, and this is a full size product worth rupees 99. It is a 50 gram product. So this brand I had heard of quite a bit but had never tried it, but I think this will be a good brand for oily skins. I do not know how it is going to function on normal or combination skins or a dry skin for that matter, but yes, definitely something good for people who are always troubled by acne. Then we have a product from Sear Secrets. I honestly was looking forward to someone sending something from Sear Secrets, but unfortunately it's a lip scrub that has come from Sear Secret. This is not what I was looking forward to, but nonetheless this is what we have received, and it has rambutan, dates and licorice, and this is how the scrub looks. The fragrance is very sweet. Of course there would be sugar and there are dates also, but it appears to be pretty dry. I do not want to swatch it because I am not going to use this product. I received a plum skin food product in some of my other box and I liked it better, but yes, I think Sear Secret products are good and possibly this too may be a good product. Then comes to my love, that is the Bella Voste lipstick. This is a sheer cream lipstick. I'm happy to get a sheer cream lipstick. I'm somehow a little too done with matte ones these days and I wanted to try some sheer satin lipsticks and cream lipsticks. So this is the shade 20. We got a choice to choose the shade, and the shade number is 20, Nude Tease. So let us open it and see. So this is how the packaging. It's a typical packaging. I quite like this packaging. Oh my god, just look at the color. This is a perfect color. Let me just swatch it for you, friends. Oh my god, this is honestly such a beautiful color. I am in love with this. This is going to look perfect on medium skin tones, fair skin tones, and probably with a darker skin tone also. You need to use a lip liner under your lipstick to give this a nice look if you're on a darker side, but I think this is a perfect shade. I quite like this shade. It is creamy, highly pigmented, and I love Bella Voste lipstick, so I'm really honestly very happy to get this Bella Voste lipstick, and at these days we are not getting it in any other boxes. And then the last product again is from Bella Voste. It is a nail color in a matte, and this is again the color which we got to choose, and I chose a nude shade, so happy to get this too. Let me just open it for you and show you. So this is how it looks. I think it's a very pretty color. Let me swatch it for you, friends. So this is the shade 65 Eternal Dash, and this is a lovely color. I just love this. So happy to get this color. So I am quite happy with my Glamego box this month. The colors are pretty. The products are very nice. I am happy to get all the products, except I would have loved to get something else from Sea Secret. Their bath washes are so nice. But yes, for the moment, I think this is an excellent curation. Love it. Absolutely worth the cost. So friends, go ahead and order yours. This is one box you should not miss. With that, we come to an end of this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.